my alien students. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a water closet to a pipe, a main pipe, in different methods. Okay. So let's see the first method. Let's first draw the main pipe. AWB, let's say minus how much? Minus. Let's slope down. 1% slope. I'm just drawing a pipe. Okay. We can draw something here. Then from here we can go down. Minus or something. Okay. They said you can't see. That's fine. I can see it now. View range. What I've done is a mistake here. We've drawn GWB 5, yes, but it is a hydraulic system, which is not the right thing what we need to draw. Okay, anyway, now it's correct. If you want to see it fine, see it right. Good. We know that the elevation is reducing. Okay, now we would like right click and draw pipe connector to that's the sanitary. Slope down 1%, 100 millimeter. Okay, just draw this way. This is one method. Okay, I will show you what we will do. Other method is just one minute. We will show you methods. Draw a section view from here, but this way. Say that go to view. I think you got the picture, right? Yes. See, we want to draw a pipe. One we will draw like this. So the Y branch will be coming this way. We zoom in to the pipe, and we can see the lower one. Right click, draw pipe. All slope down at an angle 45 degree. Okay. We would like to have a branch. It goes this way. So 135. Beautiful. Okay. You need to come on the floor plan and align it. This point with this point. I think I have drawn. This is, oh, sorry. This was my mistake, but then you will try. I just changed it 100. Okay. Just make sure your alignment is right. In the section view. Is the bubble becoming a headache? Yes. VG. Okay. This is one method of doing it. We can get T on. So we have reduced one, and this case we need one. Okay, see, I tell you one. We need it this way, gone down straight, isn't it? We need to draw one section view from here to here. See, in this case, we had an extra 90-degree angle. You will see it one way. Okay? I will draw one more case where it goes down straight down. Okay? We'll see what Revit has done for us. See, in the first case, which we did, we just had one elbow and then Y branch. That's it. Okay. In the second case, we had the Y branch is sleeping. The main just sleeping. Okay. In this case, actually, this is a new regulation actually, because very difficult for backflow to come like this. It has to go against gravity. Here, can go, isn't it? At least this much part. Yes, slope is down, but I think compared to this is easier to go back, isn't it? Okay. And the other one, similar story, where it goes this way. Okay. So, you can use which one you like. And yeah. So hope everybody enjoyed the class. Say instead of 45-degree elbow, I'll do a 90-degree elbow. Okay. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed the class. We will see each other in the next class. Thank you. This is a small class, just as how to show you how to draw. I want to show you how to do this one. Then I thought, let me show you all the ways. Okay. Anyway, cheers. Bye.